Try to film a big ass spider.
Hear this thingy? It smells good. It's sticky.
It smells like
it's like a little sap.
Yeah.
It comes from this tree right here.
Anaconda is coming. Look at that plant.
I don't know where he's going, but
Better find some.
he's our tour guide. So if he leaves,
I'm telling you, better find that worm thing.
worm thing. Tell us about the worm thing.
It's like a thick fucking maggot, and you eat it to survive. Out here in this wilderness, it's crazy out here.
You use it to make canoes and houses. It's the strongest wood in the Amazon.
Why is this not?
Yeah, nice protein. You can eat it raw or the roasted. Tastes a little bit like popcorn. Come to the Amazon, man.
I just eat it?
Yeah, chew it.
Oh.
Like pop. This we call it fertile land. Yeah, don't touch face.
What do you like?
It's a big ass tree.
Oh, shit.
Look at me.
Big ass tree. What the fuck? Tarzan.
Good job, Emmett. Yay.